tell me, good morning. I am talking about An and Sn. N is, tell me once more, one more, please. An. I want the difference. N. Sn, you know the formula. Two formula for Sn and one formula for N. So what is this N? What is this Sn? Tell me. Yes? N is
nth term of AP
very good. Sn is
sum of the
and
sum of the nth term. Okay. Suppose 5, 10, 50. Here A3 is how much? And S3 is how much?
A3 is equal to 15 and S3 is equal to 30.
Very good. Excellent. Excellent. That is it. That is it. Now, look here. This, suppose I have here 50. Now here Sn. What is the formula for Sn? N is equal to A plus
N minus
1 into D.
N minus 1 into D.
N minus 1 into D. Sn is equal to N minus 1 into D I need. Then plus N minus 1 into D. A. I am making that is 2A. Into times N by 2.
N by 2.
N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I extended this one. A plus N minus 1 into D 2 divided by 2N. One more beautiful formula is there. One boy discovered that. What is that?
N by 2 into A
N
plus
by
L.
2 into A plus L.
Very good, very good. Now N by 2 into A plus L, I gave you one AP here. 5, 10, 15, 50. Which formula? I want the Sn. That means Sn is how much? Can you tell me which formula is good for here? I think this formula. First term is given. What is the first term here?
5,
Last term?
50.
50.
50. So how can you find out here? Which formula you will apply?
Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L.
Yes, very good. N by 2 into A plus L. But where is N, my dear?
We want to find first N is equal to A plus N minus 1.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. You know, you understood that. Very good, excellent. You can find out first N by 2 into, so what N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Then you can apply that. Okay, fine, you understood that. Now, come to the exercise. Almost same problems are there. Some problems are very tricky. Some are very easy. Some are very hard. Like that. Now listen here. All of you listen. I will do 4, 5 like that, but very interesting. 12th question. Find the sum of the first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. All of you check 12th question. 12th question. Easy question at least first. 12th question. Find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. What is this? Find the sum of first 40 positive integers. First 40 positive integers. Sum of first 40. Now after 20, no, like that. Question is clear, I think. Find the sum S40. S40. Find S40. S40 of what? S40 first positive integers. Try that, not hard. Find the sum of the first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. divisible by 6 or 5. Here divisible by 6. Right? How can you do this? All of you write the question first. Find the sum of S40 of first positive integers divisible by 6. Find the sum of first 40 positive integer divisible by 6. You know positive integer? You know odd numbers? You know even numbers? You know prime numbers? Many things are. Now here it is first positive integers. Can you do? Try. We need A. We need D. We need N. So what is it? Find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. We need 40 positive integers. That means S40. You have two formulas with you. Just now we n by 2 into A plus L. But we need A. We need L. We need N. Okay, 40 positive integers. N is 40. So where is A and L? Anybody please think. Not hard.
A
Please.
is 6.
A
A
is
is
6.
six.
A6.
Tell me the reason why A is 6.
Because only integer first integer.
Divisible by 6.
Ah, yes. Divisible by 6 means multiple of 6. 6. Next is 12.
12.
18. Okay, we got it. AP. We can write the AP. 6, 12, 18. Then it is going like that. 14, don't do 40 up to it will take time because 2 minutes problem only. Next. Okay, fine. A is equal to 6. D is equal to 6. Then what we can do? N is how much you got now? N. N is how much?
40.
40.
N is 40, correct? Now apply the formula. 40 positive integers, the sum of 40 positive integers and S40. S40
Only-
is, sorry?
Then it said no 40, no.
Find the sum of first 40
Divisible.
positive integer. What is the question? Find the sum of first 40 positive integer divisible by 6. Yes, 40 positive integers. Sn is 40. N is not 40. S40. So S40 is okay. 40 positive integer and 40. ശരിയല്ലേ? Yes.
ആ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഇന്റേഴ്സിൽ ആകെ 6 നമ്പേഴ്സ് അല്ലേ ഡിവിസിബിൾ ഉള്ളൂ. അപ്പൊ അതിന്റെ സമ്മല്ലേ കാണണ്ടേ?
Find the, okay, let me check. Find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Okay. Then what to do? And we have to find out. As 40 positive integer divisible by 6. So what to do? Divisible by 6, 40, and first 40 positive integers is divisible, correct? That means first 40 integers up to 40 only. Find the sum of first 40 positive integer divisible by 6. Okay, and find out. Then the two method you can check. I will check here. So what to do? 40 positive integers. Don't confuse. Find the sum of the first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. 6 is going to divise a multiple of 6 40 positive integers. Okay. let me check. And I'm putting this Sn. That means 40 by 2 into A is 6. And what is L? L is how much? A 40, can you find out? An
240 L.
okay. N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. That means A is 6. And we don't know. N minus 1. That means N. Okay, N is 39 now. 39 we can give 40 minus 1 into D divided 6 plus 39 into 6. What are you getting? 6 into 39 into 6. Find out. Twelfth question.
$240.
Here, S40 we have to find out. You can apply N is 40, then everything is given. So you can apply first formula also. Or second formula, you have A plus L you can do. Now here, A is equal to 6 and D is equal to 6. Positive integer divisible, that we don't think too much. Here N is 40. You can apply the formula. N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Or we can find out and you can do. I think first formula is easy. N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. If you are doing like this, you have to find out L you can do. Or listen here. Instead of this formula, don't confuse, don't think too much. You are thinking too much because 40 positive integer divisible by 6. That means divisible by 640. N is very clear. N is 40. A is 6. D is 6. N is 40. So Sn is equal to first formula N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Apply this formula because N is given, A is given, D is given. No need. This is also correct, but we had to find out. So better do this one. Apply this one all of you. What happened? We are thinking too much. Here N is 40. 40 positive integer divisible by 6. Not divisible, we are not counting. 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Now give the value for this one. N by 2. That means 40 divided by 2. 2 into 6 plus 39. 39 into 6. Find out the answer. This will do. This is a method. A plus L also you can do, but we have to find out L like that. Now it is easy here because everything is given. Are you getting 4,920? That is the answer.
Yes, 4,920.
Okay, exactly correct. 4,000 calculation you can do. 4,920. Don't confuse. Don't സംഭവിച്ചത് നമ്മൾ അധികം ചിന്തിച്ചു. 40 positive in divisible by 6. About 40 integers are divisible by 6, 40 positive integers. That means Sn very clearly, Sn is equal to. Okay, that is good. You are asking about scattering analysis in the things. And ഇവിടെ Sn formula എന്തൊക്കെ A is given, B is given, N is given, everything is given in this formula. You can apply. ഇത് മനസ്സിലായെങ്കിൽ next 13 കൂടി ചെയ്യാം. അപ്പം കൂടുതൽ മനസ്സിലാവും. 13. You understood this one? മനസ്സിലായിട്ട് പോയാൽ മതി. എവിടെയെങ്കിലും കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ഉണ്ടോ? ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്മൾ ഒന്ന് ടിൽറ്റ് ചെയ്തു, ഒന്ന് കൂടുതൽ ചിന്തിച്ചു കളഞ്ഞു. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now 13 exactly same thing. Do fast. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Okay. Afnas, Anfas, Fatima Femi, Adnan Abdullah, Hana, Irfana, Jinsha, Shahana, Muhammad Farhan, Muhammad Rashid, Naima, Naja Fatima, Nazal, Rahana, Ria, Tabshina, Tahir Khan. I think all are present. ഞാൻ പേര് വിളിച്ച എല്ലാവരും പ്രസന്റ് ആണോ?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
ഓക്കെ, ആബ്സെന്റ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അറിയിക്കാൻ ഞാൻ ആളെ ഏൽപ്പിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. Okay, so one thing, after the class you can check if you want, you can check the for video also. Maybe in the YouTube it is the last class I put the ratings. ആരെങ്കിലും ചെക്ക് ചെയ്തിരുന്നോ? ആരോ ചോദിച്ചിരുന്നു. അലിഷ ചാനലില്ലേ? ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചിരുന്നോ? സംശയം ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഓക്കെ, യെസ്. ആരോ ചോദിച്ചാൽ അയച്ചു കൊടുക്കും. അപ്പൊ അതിലിട്ടിരുന്നു. Okay, fine. Now listen, find the sum of the first 50 multiples of 8. Actually, same question. Find the sum of first 15 multiples. Question. Find the sum of first 15 multiples. Multiples of 8. Find the sum of 15 multiples of 8. Okay, you can do that. A is equal to D is equal to N is equal to 15. What answer you got? 50 multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24. It is going on. AP, this is the AP. A is 8, D is 8. Okay, calculation you can done by the same formula you can apply. The answer will be what you got? Exactly, Anna. Exactly. 960. 960 is the answer. Very good. Very good. Okay, fine. Now 14. Find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. What's the difference? Find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. Here, how many is not given? Before that, 15 or 40 or like that given. Now, sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. What to do? Okay, do that. A small change is there. 50 in the question. 50. Find the sum of all numbers between 0 and 50. Between 0 and 50. Between 0 and 50. Okay? Understand the question? What to do? എന്തെങ്കിലും ക്ലൂ പറയാൻ പറ്റും ഡിഫറൻസ് മനസ്സിലായി between 0 and 50 0 is not included 50 not included between 0 and 50 what the first odd number first
1.
1 3 4 then last not 50
49.
49.
49 this is the 8 and then the question we got now find the sum of all numbers between 0 and 50 here one more A we know B we will get then one more thing we need one more friend is needed two things are due. What is that
N.
Yes that is it n also we have to find out എങ്ങനെ n കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ പറ്റും find out you have formula with you any formula you can apply write first A is equal to D is equal to N is equal to then apply the formula and how can we find out
N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D.
very good that formula N is equal to A plus and minus 1 into D that is the way that you have to find out N is given yes A is 1 3 minus 1 2 and we have to find out N is equal to 49 and the term 49 A plus 1 plus N minus A plus N minus 1 into D
24.
25, no?
25.
okay N minus 1 into 2 that is equal to 48 and minus 1 is equal to 24 so n is equal to 24 now what is the question find the sum of the numbers Sn is equal to n is 24 now apply the formula Sn is equal to calculation you can do from home Sn is equal to what formula you can apply what formula you are doing two formulas with you first term
N
is
by
the
2 into A plus L.
very good n by 2 into m plus that is better because we know and n by 2 25 by 2 that means S 25 is equal to 25 term S25 S25 is equal to S25 is equal to A is 1 and then this 49 49 10 plus L. Easy. What answer you got this one? 25
625.
into 50 by 2.
625.
50 by 2. 25 into 25, am I right?
Yes.
Correct, right?
Yes.
25, 25. What is 25 into 25?
625.
625. Okay. Then you can cut divided by 2. That means 25 into 25. 625. Exactly correct. Okay. Like this, many questions we can see. Like this. Multiple of. Then multiple of 7. Multiple of 8. Or multiple of 10. Or divisible of 9. Like that, many questions from past papers also you can see. Not hard it is. Now see one question from past purpose. How many terms? Write the question. How many terms of the AP? This homework I will explain you. How many terms of the AP? 65, 60, 55 be taken so the sum is 0.
One more, sir.
Once more, please.
How many terms of the AP? How many terms of the AP? 65, 60, 55, dash be taken so that the sum is 0. Be taken so that their sum is 0. See, interesting question. Nothing, only same thing. How many terms of the AP 65, 60, 55 be taken so that their sum is 0? Think about the question. Can you get any idea? How many terms of the AP? Their sum is 0. A is given, what is A?
65.
65.
N is equal to 0. Their sum is 0. We cannot say N, Sn is equal to 0.
Sn is equal to 0.
Sn is equal to 0. You try that. Okay, I will tell you interesting. We are getting a quadratic equation like that. Then you can try N by 2. N is, we are getting N. You try that. Okay. A different question, but Sn is equal to, it must be 0. Try. Doesn't matter. Those who got the answer, they can send it in my private message. Okay, now come to the fourth question. Fourth question. What is the fourth question? This is Margaret homework. Now fourth question.
Sir, third question we didn't complete.
Third question complete ചെയ്തില്ല. ഏതാ വേണ്ടതായിരുന്നു? Almost same അല്ലേ വരുന്നത്. ഓരോ T കാണാൻ N കാണാൻ. ഏതാണ് വേണ്ടത്? Find a question ആണല്ലോ. N, A, N. ഏതാണ് ഹാർഡായി തോന്നുന്നുണ്ടോ തേർഡ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ?
Fifth one.
Okay, fifth one. Given D is equal to 5. Fifth one. All of you. Third, fifth bit. D is equal to 5. D is equal to 5. S9 is equal to 75. S9 that is equal to 75. Find A and N9. A is how much? N9 is how much? Is that the question? D is equal to 5. S9 is equal to 75. Find A and N9. On the right, question easy question answer easy okay, fine, good. Page number 112. Try to do. D is given. S9 is 75. And can you find out A? Any method? But you have to find out. S9 is given. What is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now, what is given we can write S9. That means 75 is equal to n by 2. $75 is equal to nine by 12 is 9 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is part into part. Okay. Ninth term. Sum of S9 means sum of 9 terms. Sum of 9 terms, no ninth term. So n is 9. S9. N is equal to now n minus 1 into d. Here also n is 9. 9 minus 1 into d. Now find out f of the. Find out a. N is given. S9 is given. And d is given. And this is Sn, not n. Don't confuse. Sn and n are different. Sn. That means 75. Now that is sum of 9 terms. One term, 1 plus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 terms. And we can take 9 terms. Don't confuse that. In one question we confuse. Find out and here A is a rational number. So we are getting a rational number. Calculation. 9 by 2 into 2A plus 8 into 5. That means 9 by 2 into 2A plus 40. That means 75. Up to here, right? Up to here. Question is, you are looking easy but little bit hard. Okay, good. Direct question only. Now, into 2. Multiply into 2 because, or we can check 9 by 2 division into, we can do here equation 75 into 2 by 9, that is equal to 2A plus 40. This outside 9 by 2 will be 2 by 9. Divide by 9 by 2 means multiply by 2 by 9. 75 can be. Okay. Now
15.25, sir.
150 by 9. Okay. 50. What you answer you got? Here you got how much?
Minus 35 divided by 3.
Exactly correct. Minus 35 by 3. That is, you can take like that only. Here you got that. That is it. Minus 35. 150 by 9. That is equal to 2A plus 40. That means again 2A is equal to 150 by 9 minus 40. Now, after that, A you have to find out. LCM you have to find out. 150. 9 is the LCM. Into 150 minus 9 4s are 360. That means 150 minus 360. So it will be negative 360 minus 150
Minus 210.
minus 210. That means minus 210 by 9. So we can divide by 3. Yes. 7 3s are 21 minus 70 by 3. Am I right? 3 3s are minus 70 by 3. Any mistake? Yes. Correct. Any mistake?
No, sir.
Okay. Can we make it small? Check the calculation. This is the method. 2A. That means this is 2A. Now A is equal to exactly 2A is equal to minus 70 by 3. Calculation taking time. A is equal to minus 70 by 3 into 2. Exactly minus 35 by 3. This 2 and 70 we can cut 35. Minus 35 by 3. That is it. Now, what is the question? Find the A you got. Find A and A9. A we got. Now find out A9. Complete this up to 9, up to here. Our assumption is operational side. What I am telling? Pure calculation. എവിടെയെങ്കിലും കാൽക്കുലേഷൻ പ്രശ്നങ്ങളുണ്ടോ? ലീനിയർ ഇക്വേഷൻ വരുന്നു, ട്രാൻസ്പോസിങ് എല്ലാം വരുന്നുണ്ട്. Now last 3 minutes I think so. 56 minutes are over. You don't want answer 85 by 3. Answer exactly 85 by 3 answer. So next up, find the A9. N is equal to A plus and minus 1 into D. A9 is equal to A9 is equal to A plus 8D. That means A is minus 3 by 35. Minus 35 by 3 plus 8 into. What is your D? D is how much here?
5.
5. Okay, you are getting same answer. I am not doing that because time is running. Other teachers are right. See, calculation problem. Calculation. In third question, alone നിങ്ങൾ try ചെയ്തു നോക്കൂ. 6th, 7, 8 ഇങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യണം. Calculation time എടുക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. പക്ഷേ you have to calculate. Okay? ഇനി നാം വിചാരിച്ച കവർ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. I thought 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ഒക്കെ കരുതിയതാണ്. Okay. 4 on the try ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ? How many terms are AP must take and give sum 36? Okay, 4 and 5 also homework. 4 and 5. Try. Okay, tomorrow we can see. Okay, children. We can wind up now. Time is over, I think. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you.